Today I'm making a short video about how you can insert multiple columns at one time, or actually multiple rows first. So here's Excel in Windows 10. Let's say for some reason I want to insert 15 rows. You see over here I have 15 rows and I want to insert it above here. I want to create 15 blank rows. Before, when I was doing this, I was just using the mouse and right mouse clicking, and I'd choose insert over here. So you can do one, I was doing it one after another, but actually the easier way of doing this is to left mouse click, using the left mouse click. I click on the most left part of the row, and then I use shift and left mouse click to where I want to select all the rows that I want to insert. So I'll show you over here what I did. So I put the cursor onto 22 over here, which will add 15 rows. So here's the left shift, here's the right shift key. I'm going to press and hold that. And the mouse, I'm just going to use the left mouse button and click that to select the 15 rows. And you can see now 15 rows have been selected. What I want to do now is, let me go a little closer. I move the mouse over to this region, and I'm just going to right mouse click over here. And now I can choose the option for insert. What's going to happen is it's going to insert 15 rows, hopefully before. And there you can see it inserted 15 rows before. This same concept can be used for adding multiple columns. So I'll do it. But I won't show you my keyboard and mouse. Instead, I'll just describe it. Here I'm going to add 4 rows. I'll do 5 and 6, okay? I'm going to add 4 rows after F over here. First, I'm going to select, left mouse click on here to select the column. Sorry if I'm interchanging rows and columns, but I want to add 4 columns after F. So first select the first column, pressing Shift key. I'm going to press Shift key now, and left mouse click on the F. So now I've selected 4 columns. I just need a right mouse click and select insert. Fortunately, it did it before, so my logic was wrong. I press Control Z. I want to start from G, Shift, left mouse click, and then insert. Right mouse click and insert. Sorry about this. This part I wasn't planning to add into the video tutorial. But when you select insert, it'll insert it before, not after. So if you ever use Google Sheets, they'll give you the option to insert before and after, and they'll tell you how many rows, so, or columns. So hopefully this made sense, and you can use this to insert multiple rows. Let's see, under insert, if I'd use the insert option over here, I don't know, it's not straightforward for me. I'm just an average user.